Okay, one other adjustment that's important is to make sure that this bottom arm is parallel with the bottom of the drawer box or the top of the cabinet, and that it's parallel with this top arm as well. I used a square to draw a perfectly vertical line here, and then as I'm locating this rear bracket, I just make sure that this part of the bracket is parallel to my vertical line, and that will help you get these arms nice and straight. Okay, here's an example of how to adjust the arms on a docking drawer so that they end up in the middle of the gap between the back of the drawer box and the wall. So these screw holes here, the mounting screw holes, are slotted, and if you push or pull according to the slots, that's going to center the arms. So what you want to do is kind of find the center spot like that, and then lock them in place with the screwdriver, and that is going to ensure that the arms are centered behind the drawer box and they don't hit either the drawer box or the wall when you close the drawer.